Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace front struts on a 2013 Ford Edge. Begin by disconnecting the battery and loosening lug nuts before lifting the vehicle safely with a floor jack and jack stands. Remove the wheel and inspect brake lines and sway bar links for wear. Keep organized trays for bolts and take photos to remember mounting positions. Follow torque specs when reassembling and test drive at low speed to start by supporting the control arm and partially installing a spring compressor if needed for stability. Remove the 3 upper mount nuts inside the engine bay and unbolt the strut from the knuckle. Carefully lower the assembly and transfer any sensors or brackets to the new strut. Inspect the coil spring and mount for rust or damage and clean mating surfaces before installing the replacement to ensure a proper fit and longer service life. Position the new strut assembly into the engine bay and start the top nuts by hand to hold it in place. Align the lower strut with the knuckle and insert the bolts, tightening to manufacturer torque values in stages. Reconnect the sway bar link, brake hose bracket, and ABS sensor, ensuring wiring has no tension. Reinstall the wheel, lower the vehicle, and perform a test drive to confirm handling and noise-free operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.